Now this is how you can clear the clipboard on your Android phone. So at first you need to get to any place where you can find and make the keyboard pop up. So just tap on somewhere, someplace, some random text field like I did. And as you can see above the keyboard, I have a couple of buttons. One of them is like the settings, emojis, and so on. But the one in the middle is indicating the clipboard. So I can click on it like this, and this is the clipboard. So I have some pictures in here, some random links, text, and so on. And you should pay attention to the trash icon towards the right? So as you can see, I can return back to the keyboard, but in there, in the right portion, I have the trash icon. So if I click on the trash like this, I can select which things I want to delete from the clipboard, or you can as well click on the all button, which selects everything that there is. But let me not select everything, only just a few things like this, and click on the delete. Make sure you confirm it. So deleting 7 items, and now my clipboard has only one thing left of whatever I decided it to be. So that's how you can clear or delete stuff from your clipboard on Android. Let me know if it worked for you. Hit the thumbs up if it did, and I'll see you later.